Have you ever faced a difficult challenge that tested your determination? It can be overwhelming and discouraging, but it's important to never give up. Obstacles are a part of life, but they don't have to defeat us. Instead, we can choose to face them head-on with fierce determination. Determination is the driving force that keeps us going when things get tough. It's what pushes us to keep fighting, even when everything seems to be working against us. If you want to be unstoppable, you need to cultivate your determination. It's not something that comes naturally to everyone, but it's a skill that can be developed over time. The first step is to set clear goals for yourself. When you have something to work towards, it's easier to stay focused and motivated when things get hard. Next, you need to believe in yourself. Trust that you have what it takes to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. But determination isn't just about mindset, it's also about action. Take consistent steps towards your goals, even when progress is slow. Every small step adds up to big progress over time. And most importantly, don't be afraid to ask for help. Everyone needs support sometimes, and it's okay to reach out when you need it. Remember, determination isn't just a trait that some people are born with. It's something that anyone can develop with practice and patience. So next time you face a difficult challenge, don't give up, dig deep and tap into the unstoppable power of your determination. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on overcoming obstacles.